How to download a YouTube video on your Android device. What's up everyone? Welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you guys how to easily download YouTube videos on your phone. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. So let me make this clear the very first time is that you cannot download YouTube videos directly to your phone's gallery, but what you can do is try to download it so that you can watch it later even when you don't have internet connection. So in this case, if I want to download this recent MrBeast video, what I'm gonna do is tap on this download option right here. And once you tap on it, in some videos the download won't be available, so you'll just have to find the videos that are downloadable. So I'm just gonna tap on a random video. So here is another random video. I'm just going to tap on this download button, and if you have YouTube Premium, you can download on full HD, but on the free version you can download it up to 360p. So just tap on download and it will remain on your downloads for 29 days. So if you are going to watch this later when you don't have internet, you can find it on your profile at the bottom right corner, and now just tap on downloads, and here you will see the download right here, which will be available for 29 days. And if you want to do download more videos, just tap on any of the video here, and once you do that you can just tap on download and it will start downloading. That's pretty much it. If you found this helpful, hit like, share and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.